Hello, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to adjust the scaling of your document for your reader. And I will show you what that means if you're unclear in just a second. The first thing you're going to do is head over to your dashboard, and then you're going to go to Design, which is the painter's palette there in the middle. And then you're going to go to Settings, and you're going to find Default Scale. And then from there, you're going to click on that little pencil, and that will give you the options that you have. And there are two. The first option is to fit to screen, and the second option is original dimension. Right now, I have it on original dimension just because I want to show you what that will look like. So as you can see, it's quite large. You can't see the full document in the desktop view here, and you've got to scroll. This document isn't particularly large. The original size of this is just an 8 by 10, but you can imagine use cases in which the document is extremely large and you only see a little fraction of it. So right now, for what I need this for, this isn't the ideal situation. So I'm going to go ahead and go back into default scale, and I'm going to adjust it into the fit for screen, say done. And as you can see now, we have all four sides of the document visible, and I can get a little bit of the background as well. And so that is the choice for this particular document. But there are reasons that you would want to keep it in the original scale as well, even if 90% of the time you're going to be using the fit for screen option here under the scaling. So that is how you make the adjustments. Thanks very much. That's all I have for you this afternoon.